So we have reached the airport to take our connecting flight. And look. So here is our tiny little flight off to SONEVA KIRI. Here we come. Tiny little flight. Never been in such a tiny aircraft. So that's a 8-seater flight, and I've never been in such a tiny little aircraft before. So it's going to be extremely interesting. Very interesting. It's a beautiful, glorious day. Okay, so that's a little aircraft, and we have just arrived. That's the amazingly simple, lovely little welcome area. And now we're off in the buggy to another stop. That's where we got off, and now we're heading to the sea front. So that's where we're heading, to the little waterboat that will take us to the resort. So now we're taking this little boat to the resort. 2 more minutes. Okay, and now we've arrived at the resort there. That is where we are heading. This is the entrance to the villa, surrounded by bamboo and trees, and there it is. So guys, I've just arrived at the villa, and I have to share this because this is unreal. This is the villa. It's not the whole hotel, it's just the villa. It's the dining space, chilling space, pool right here, the beach right there, and then that's the room. And you can just be in bed and look out that view. Another room here, and that's all the outside outside shower, indoor shower, outside bath. This is all part of the villa, and it's just kind of, I'm trying to take it all in, just trying to take it all in, because this is just surreal. I've never stayed in a place like this. It's the dreamiest space. This is like, wow. Someone wake me up. I'm in a dream. That's some welcome cookies and fruits. So this is the resort, a part of the resort. It's just absolutely masses of area. They have places like the library, they have the restaurant there, they've got a chilled area there, they have got just loads of different kind of corners and spaces they've got. Now we're heading to the restaurant for some lunch. Okay, so just entering our space. Okay, so we've just arrived for lunch. This is the lunch setting. Oh dear God, this is awesome. Look at that. So we have arrived at SONEVA KIRI and it has been beautiful. The weather is amazing, and for the first meal we are going to restaurant Tuk, which is on the island. It's a Thai special restaurant by SONEVA KIRI, and it's a tasting menu, and I'm super excited because I have heard amazing things about the foods there, and the view and the location and just everything about it. So I am going to take you guys with me, and it's just about to the sun is just about to set, so we're going to be off very, very soon. So join me as I go and taste this tasting menu at restaurant Tuk. To get to dinner, we're taking a little boat to go and get some food. This one wasn't the actual restaurant we were going to. This is the restaurant where we are headed. बार-बार और ये of course बार. So this is a butterfly pea juice. It's really dark purple and it tastes really sweet. It's something that grows here in the green. It's a flower. It tastes really delicious. So this is the first dish that has arrived, which is amuse-bouche, and these are betel leaves, and these are all the things that go in the betel leaves. So there is ginger, onions, there's coconut, peanuts, there's palm sugar, spicy and a bit of sour, and a little pocket has to be made. Yep. And then filled inside will be whatever you want to eat, and then eat it as a bite into it. That's so unusual. This is like a chicken salad called larb guy, and it's got some green beans in there. This one is a corn fritters, kind of crispy, delicious stuff with some chili sauce. And this one is a gin, passion fruit, pineapple cocktail, which is absolutely stunning.
These fritters are super crispy, really good, and the salad is so fresh. Amazing food.
So it's gotten really dark, and my sister is holding the iPhone torch because I want to show you this soup, which is Tom Kha soup, chicken soup, and I definitely need this right now.
Oh, God. That's so nice.
So this is the next course, which is the rye berry rice, and it has come in this little. Oh, wow! Okay, I'm really intrigued in trying this. Right, so this is shrimp in a spicy sauce, and this is sea bass in a spicy sauce. So they two are in the same sauce, and this is steamed sea bass. This is all local fish, and this is sour fish, which apparently is like little fish which are quite sour, and that's very local to this area. So that's what you're supposed to eat with the berry rice here, right here. That looks amazing. So finally the dessert has arrived, the last course, and this is sticky rice with coconut milk, and instead of mango they've served it with longkin, which is a local fruit like lychee, little lychee. Oops, there's the lights on. And that's a fruit bowl, which is all kind of regional fruit, and I cannot wait to tuck into this, but I don't have too much room, to be honest.
In the master bedroom.